Glad you are here. Let me quickly walk you through this project and show you what I built for my client. The client I built this project for had a wooden furniture manufacturing unit but no showroom. Every time a customer asked about a product, he had to manually send photos, videos, prices and other details over WhatsApp. Managing customers this way was very slow, messy and almost impossible as inquiries grew. So I created a complete furniture website for him, a digital showroom where customers can browse all products by category, view full details, watch product videos and instantly contact the business. Let's start on mobile view because in real life almost 90% of customers browse products on mobile, not desktop. That's why the entire user interface is optimized for speed, clarity and ease of use on small screens. This is the landing page. Right at the top we show the main furniture categories. For example, wooden wardrobes, wooden sofa sets, wooden dining tables and more. When a customer taps on a category, they are taken to a clean product listing page where they can scroll through all the available models for that particular category with images, names and prices. Okay, let's open a product. On the product details page, we show all images in a smooth slider. Inside that same slider, we also include the product's YouTube video, which is very important because video demos significantly increase customer trust and buying interest. And lastly, we have the dimension image so customers instantly know if the product fit their space or not. Now here is the best part. When the user taps on the slider, we open a full media viewer with 3 tabs: images, videos and dimensions. Each tab cleanly presents the respective content, make it extremely easy for customers to understand the product from every angle. This media first experience is crucial for selling products online. Customers can view all product details such as name, price, available colors, specifications and more. This particular client wanted a very minimal design, but if you need a richer, more advanced UI with additional features and contents, don't worry, I can absolutely build it for you. At the bottom we have a WhatsApp sticky button. So if a customer likes the product, they can directly message the business and place an order or ask questions in one tap. Now let's open the admin panel. This is where the real power of the system comes in. The client never has to depend on me or other developer to upload or update their products. First, we have a secure admin login. All admin routes are protected with JWT authentication. So only authorized users can access product data and make changes. Next, we have the category management page. Here, the client can view all existing categories, add new ones with an image and name. They can edit categories or delete them. These are the categories that appear instantly on the customer facing website. Then we have product management. Once a category is selected, the client sees all products under the category. They can add new products with full details like name, price, multiple images, video links, color, specifications and more. They can also edit existing products and update them anytime they wanted. With this admin setup, the client has complete control over the entire website without needing a developer for every small change. Apart from the main product system, we also built supporting pages like About Us, Contact Us, Find Us, helping customers know more about the business and get in touch easily. Let's see the tech stack and reliability. This entire project is built using Next.js, which is extremely fast and SEO friendly. The UI uses modern SAT-CN component, and I also managed deployment and hosting. So if you are looking for a mobile first product showcase website or even a complete e-commerce system, I can handle everything from end to end. If this is what you are looking for, let's chat. I would love to help you build your own high converting website and get your business online. Thank you for spending your valuable time watching my portfolio. See you in the chat.